Hello, this is Mr. Barnett here. I'm going to show you teams.microsoft.com. So you'll type that in. It'll prompt you here to pick an account to log into. You're going to use your stu.k12.wv.us account to log in. You'll enter your password and you'll just click sign in. It's going to ask if you want to stay signed in. Just click yes. Now we wait. You can use the app if you want to install it, or you can use it on the web. There's two different versions. So that'll bring you into Microsoft Teams. And here's where you should have all of your teams you're a part of. So click on Teams, and you'll have Algebra 1, first period. These are all of my classes. All the teams I'm doing, virtual, Algebra 1, Geometry. You will have all the teams for each class that you have located here. And for example, I'm going to click on my virtual class here. And this is where you'll navigate. There will be things posted here, like this says each Wednesday we'll be completing an assignment on Savas Realize. If you're doing virtual, you'll see here where it says week 1. You'll click on that. And here's all the information you're going to need for week 1, like your syllabus, Savas, a discussion post, and a video I made on expressions. So this is how you get into Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, make sure you look at your channels on this side and look for all of your assignments here. You should get notifications every time you get an assignment under the activity section here. And that'll be everything you need. So